Hi students, today we are going to learn about identifying various hydraulic components. Let's start.
Objectives: identify and locate the element in a hydraulic circuit. Draw symbols as per ISO 1219. Let's learn what is a hydraulic system first. Any working or control system that uses liquid as the transmitting fluid is known as a hydraulic system. The word hydraulic is derived from Greek words hydra meaning water and aulic meaning pipe. Some common examples of hydraulic system include automobile braking, power steering, elevators, etc. The liquid used in hydraulic is generally viscous petroleum oils. The advantages of using hydraulic systems are liquids are incompressible and capable of moving to much higher loads and providing much higher force. No need to bleed off to release the pressure on the load. Highly responsive compared to pneumatics. Supply more power than pneumatics. Provides lubrication and cooling automatically. Observe this image of hydraulic system carefully. Let's try to identify one component at a time. This is a tank. This is a non-return valve. This is a motor. This is a pump. Tailstock. This is a pressure relief valve.
Pressure relief valve.
This is a filter.
IFRL unit.
This is a directional control valve. This is a double-acting cylinder.
Filter regulator lubricator.
This is a pressure switch.
Pressure switch. Drain.
This is a return line filter.
Filter.
Let's quickly recap what we have learned so far. Tank, non-return valve, motor, pump, pressure relief valve, filter regulator lubricator, directional control valve, double-acting cylinder, pressure switch, return line filter.
I hope that you have understood everything taught in this video. I will see you in another interesting and exciting videos. Thank you and goodbye until then.